Monster Jam fans, beware. In today's recreation challenge, zombies are loose. It's Revved Up Recaps! Subscribe! As if you couldn't tell, today we're riding with the living dead. Zombie! Freeze frame truck trivia. When Monster Jam was looking for a new truck to add into the mix, they had a whole bunch of new ideas and designs and asked fans which was their favorite. The winner, Zombie.
He's a fan favorite. When this truck rolls into the arena with its dead eyes, rotting teeth, and gnarly arms, the crowd goes wild. Yup, it took brains to see just what a cool addition Zombie would be to Monster Jam.
Bari Musawwir is part of the brains behind Zombie. Let's see what he has to say about this nightmare on Gore Wheels. Get it? Because he has 4 wheels, Gore Wheels.
Being the only Monster Jam truck that was voted into existence by the fans, it means the world because that means they personally have a connection with you. So it's definitely something that I really appreciate being able to connect with the fans and saying to them, thank you.
Yes! The wall!
Ah, here it is. Zombie Madness, the perfect playset to raise the undead.
This truck definitely needs to see a dentist.
The Rolling Dead for real.
Let's do it!
Check out this playset. This thing is huge.
Scary!
Not as scary as this giant zombie.
Ah, we've got to stop him!
That's today's recreation challenge. So, how do you take down a zombie?
Aim for the head.
Sounds like you've done this before. That's right. You need to launch Zombie down the track, up the ramp, and knock off his skull to see his brains.
Big green zombie man, prepare to get buried! Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Oh, he knocked off his head!
This is awesome!
That's so sick. Let's do it again.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, we did it again!
It's feeding time. Try to get it right through the mouth.
Go!
Big green zombie!
He ate it! Zombie victory wheelie!
Oh yeah! Want to recreate this recreation challenge on your own? All you need is the Zombie Madness playset, complete with exclusive 1/64 scale Monster Jam zombie truck. You can build out your playset by adding monster dirt for ramps and jumps.
What's up, Monster Jam fans? This is Bari Musawwir here, driver of the Zombie Monster Jam truck. And we are here to break a world record of the most revolutions done in a Monster Jam truck in a donut. To describe that here, I've got a 1/64 scale Spin Master Monster Jam Zombie Collectible. So just pretend my hand is this 77-foot diameter circle that I'm gonna have to stay inside for the record to count. And I'm just gonna be spinning as fast as I possibly can and maintaining good momentum, as well as recognizing where the boundaries are to make sure that we get the record locked in for Zombie.
Till next time, subscribe to the Recap crew and hit that like button.
Real trucks,
Real action,
Monster Jam!
Ah!